Hi everyone, it's Stacy Holman again, and I have another unboxing video for you. I am so excited about this one. Okay, so probably a couple months ago, here's my book, I ordered cooking. It was a cooking month through Young Living, and so with my order, I got this cookbook. Okay, so I got this cookbook. I told you I'm going to be making stuff from it, cooking foods from it. Well, I didn't get a chance to because I didn't have the oils needed to do all these. With my anxiety, it's like I need to stay organized. So if I'm missing an oil, I just stop. You know, it's like, okay. It's not perfect because I'm missing an oil. So anyway, I have all the oils. I made sure I got all the oils to make all the recipes in this book. So I'm really excited. So it's going to be a month of cooking from this book. All right. So, and I already warned my husband through videos and also, you know, in person, to brace himself because there's going to be some fresh food going on here. Okay, and he's not a big vegetable person, but that's too bad. He did say, and I'm going on video, he did say that, honey, anything you put on a plate, I will eat. Anyway, he'll pick out all the vegetables. I even tried cutting up vegetables really, really tiny. Does anybody else have this problem with their husbands? I can understand children, a lot of children don't like their vegetables, but adults know better. Honey, eat your vegetables. So anyway, I am so excited about my shipment. Okay, so I'm okay. Starting with the big item first. All right, so I already have one diffuser in my living room, but now this one is for my bedroom because I do have a hard time sleeping, but when I put lavender on and peace and calming and stress away, I feel amazing, but I also want it to diffuse it as well. My nose itches, allergies. So I got another one. It's called, okay, so through here, it's backwards on the camera, but anyway, it's Sweet Aroma. This has 10 different lighting options, and I'm gonna open it up. It's just my excitement, that's all. Hold on. They pack it very nicely. So it's just a mini one. Again, it's just for bedroom, so I can diffuse oils to help me sleep at night as well. Oh, how cute. Shut up. Look at this. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh, I can't anymore. Look at how adorable. And then here are the buttons to turn it on and off, and then the lighting. I can't, you guys. That is so cute. All right, so putting that to the side. All right, I have quite a few cooking oils here, so, all right, all the packing. All right, my oils, yep, all of them. There's like three and 2/3 cardboard rollers in here. Okay. Oh gosh, it's packed very well. Okay, hold on. It's coming. All right, so this is what I got. All right, and I also got a loyalty kit, so I kind of want to keep that separate, but okay, so this is thyme. You guys, thyme essential oil. Oh, it's backwards in the camera. I don't know. Well, anyway, that's thyme. These oils are so much more potent than what you would buy, than the spices, herbs and spices you buy in the store. And I said that in, a couple of other videos. So you need less of this. I have seen recipes where all you have to do is stick a toothpick in here, a toothpick, get oil on it, and then swirl it around in the dish. That's all. I mean, it is that strong, but you use less of it, and it is so flavorful. Yeah, I've even surprised my husband, put what I have in sauce, and he's like, whoa, this is strong, but I also put a couple drops. I should have only put a toothpick because it was very, very strong. But anyway, it's very flavorful. That's why I have my cookbook. So I know, I'm learning how to use these oils because I've never cooked with oils before. Okay. Let's see, basil vitality. Anything labeled vitality for these oils, you can cook with or put in your drinks, things like that. So in my cookbook, I have desserts. So lime is a really good one for desserts, which is what I have. All right. Try nothing in there. All right. Here's my next challenge. Okay. This is fun. All right. Okay. Hold on. It works if I go like this. Put my finger in through here. Okay. So, dill. I love dill because I just love the flavor of it. Dill. But I have these herbs and spices of these, and I have to put so much in there. Not anymore. I'm gonna use these. Yep. And not only are they so flavorful, but they're healthy. They do good for our bodies. They're good stuff. Okay. I'm stalling because this is packed very well. All right, and then oregano vitality. Yep. I need more lighting. I know there's a light hanging behind me on the ceiling, but the light is yellow. I don't like the yellow light. It's not very good on my skin. All right, so I already have an orange vitality, but there's a lot of orange is great for drinks. I'll even put a couple drops in my tea, but also desserts. And I think there's a couple recipes for breakfast maybe. That is orange. So I have half a bottle of orange already, but so I bought another orange. All right, good stuff. All right, what's this one? Coriander. Yep, coriander. A lot better and a lot healthier than store. Okay, that one was easy. All right, and here I have thieves. This is more of a spicy. Thieves vitality. This is more of a spicy. I even use this in my wellness mixture. So yeah, this is great stuff. All right, and then this is tangerine. My husband, he watches the videos, and he's always like, babe, make sure you bring it close to the camera so people can see. So again, I have a tablet. It's not real clear. It is what it is, but I'm putting it closer, honey, so everyone can see. This one is ginger. Yep, ginger. And then this one, lemongrass. See, I'm putting it in the center anyway. So much fun. Okay, so what do I have there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Okay, hold on. A couple more in here. All right, and then this is Lemon Vitality. And Black Pepper. Oh, that one shows up. Black Pepper. Yes. Yep. And then I just bought another bottle of lemon, the regular lemon. Actually, no, I think this was my freebie. I'm looking. Yeah, this was my freebie. So, all right. So that was it. That's it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this month is going to be nothing but cooking, and well, I'm not going to say nothing but cooking because I enjoy doing videos, but also visit my website, stacyholman.com, which is I do have some videos on there, different ways you can use oils, essential oils. And if you are watching the video on stacyholman.com, I'm so glad you're here. Scroll through the website, lots of good information, and stay tuned for more videos on jewelry making and now cooking. Okay, so I'm not a chef, so if I do a video where I am cooking using these oils, just bear with me. My knife cuts aren't the greatest. Nothing is the greatest except these oils. But I do cook well. Once the food is done, it tastes good. Just those of you who are chefs might cringe a little bit because of my techniques. Anyway, I love you all, and I'm so happy you're here, and happy health.